Hello everybody. Well, haven't put out a video in a while. Been working on this mess. The man cave's a mess because I had a lot of projects outside, here at the house, on the boat problems, but right now I'm working on a new craft mount for my truckers, for my Livescope for the 93 SB. And I keep seeing this one, but it's pretty expensive. So I saw a guy make this mount, the stowaway mount. He made it out of a Razor scooter. So that's what I did. I bought a Razor scooter and I dismantled it. My wife's here. Anyway, so this is what I have so far. I painted it, of course, and the graph is going to go up here like so, right? And then when you're done with it, it comes down just like that. Ta-da! Of course, I haven't mounted it, so. And then, of course, you lift it back up. Bam! So, let's see how it looks on the boat. Gotta watch people. Go away. Anyway, here it is. Semi-done. And here's mine. Gave them a new paint job. So, put y'all on top of my head. Oh man, alright. Man, it feels freaking awesome out here. Take my day on the lake. So anyway, this is my Livescope pole. Been using it for a while. It's pretty dang accurate the way I have it. So wherever this points, bam bam, you can see. Actually contemplating on getting the 34 maybe, or just getting a bigger screen. I might get a bigger screen, we'll see. I've been thinking about changing the way I fish, as far as watching the screen the whole time. I may just do what Mr. Crappie does, and use it as a tool. And because to tell you the truth, I have gone fishing and I have not been using the Livescope and getting all my I guess my sixth sense back, because I think I lose it when I concentrate on the screen. But yeah, this is it. Kind of like a reddish brown. Check it out. Pretty cool. Looks like we have a go. Anyway, it's kind of at an angle because the boat's at an angle. But yeah, I think it's gonna work good. Gonna work pretty good. Just tighten this. I love this ram mount. It holds it really tight. Yeah. Bam. Ready to fish. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. That and boat problems. Carburetor float's getting stuck. I'm going through it right now, and hopefully I'll be back on the water before you know it. But anyway, that's what I've been doing, y'all. So we'll get back on the water soon. Hopefully catch some big slabs. Thanks everybody. Bye.